Good afternoon, students. I will continue remaining problems of this sets and relations functions. First exercise, seventh completed. Eighth question. Show that the relation R in the set A. Set A, what is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given by the relation R. R is equal to A comma B such that A minus B is even. That is the relation. Set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is an equivalence relation. First, we show that an equivalence relation. Next, some bits are there. Okay. First of all, show that equivalence relation. What is equivalence relation? This relation should satisfy reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Okay, right. First, reflexive. What is reflection? A relation R is said to be reflexive. A comma A belongs to R. Then it is reflexive relation. Right. A minus B is even. Okay. Consider any element. Suppose 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Okay. Consider this any element. Either A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So that implies it satisfies the reflexive relation. It is possible, this one. So therefore, A is equal to 1. That implies 1 comma 1 is equal to what the relation? 1 comma 1 belongs to R means what it means? Modulus of 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Is even. Is even. For all 1 belongs to the given set, therefore it is reflexive. Therefore it is reflexive. Next, symmetric. Show that it is symmetric. First of all, possible case state. What is AB is even. AB means A minus B is even. Then the implies that B minus A also even. That will show. Suppose if A is equal to 2, B is equal to 40. 2 comma 4 belongs to R. 2 comma 4 belongs to R means 2 minus 4 modulus of that implies is equal to 2 is even. Implies that 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 is also even. Therefore, it is symmetric. Therefore, it is symmetric. Next, transitive. Okay, A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. That implies C comma A also belongs to R. That is. Suppose if you take A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 5. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 5. AB belongs to R means 1 comma 3 belongs to R. So means what? 1 minus 3 is equal to 2 is even. And 3 comma 5 belongs to R means 3 minus 5 is equal to is even, implies that 1 comma 5 implies that what you show 1 minus 5 modulus of 1 minus 5 is equal to 4 is even, implies that 1 comma 5 belongs to the relation R, belongs to the relation R. Therefore, what it shows? A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, implies that C comma A belongs to R. Therefore, it is transitive. It is transitive. Okay, now this relation satisfied, reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Therefore, the relation R is equivalence. Equivalence relation. The relation R is said to be equivalence relation. Okay, completed. First case completed. Now, next still is there the problem. Show that all the elements 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. So consider in this and all the elements of 2, 4 are related to each other. That case will check out. Show that all the elements, okay, this set, case 1. All the elements 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. All the elements related means some relation, right? What is the relation? This relation. These all elements satisfy this relation. Okay, once we check, that implies 1 comma 3 between 1 and 3 relation. What is the relation? That it belongs to R, that is 1 minus 3 is equal to 2 is even. Okay, satisfies. Next, 1 comma 5 belongs to R, 1 minus 5 is equal to 4 is even. Right, next, 3 comma 5 belongs to R, 3 minus 5 is equal to 2 is even. Okay, satisfied. So each element related to the given satisfied. So these 1, 3, 5 are the odd numbers. So for odd numbers satisfy the given relation. Next case. What is the next case? For the set 2 comma 4 and all the elements of 2 comma 4 are related to each other. Only here 2 elements are there. That implies 2 comma 4 belongs to R. That is 2 minus 4 is equal to 2 is even. So this also related to each other. Next, one more bit is there. Full stop. After, but no element of that also show that you want to show that. But no element of 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of 2 comma 4. See, no element of related to 1, 3, 5 to 2 comma 4. Suppose, for example, take these two, 1, 2. 1, 2 means 1 minus 2 is equal to 1. It's not even. Right. 1, 4. 1, 4 means 1 minus 4 is equal to 3. Not even. With 3. 3 comma 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Not even. 3, 4. 3 comma minus 4 is equal to 1, not related. 5 comma 2, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 is not even. Next, 5 4, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 is not equal. So no element is related to this one. Okay, this is the problem. Ninth, do homework, and 10th also give an example of a relation. Just you only give, take 1 3 5 numbers, otherwise anyone. Suppose for example symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Sixth problem is there. The set A is equal to 1 to 3. The relation 1 comma 2 2 comma 1, that is symmetric but not reflexive, not transitive. And one more example explained. A line is two L1 and L2. The relation between two lines are perpendicular. L1 and L2 symmetric but not reflexive, not transitive. So that also one type of example. So like that you take examples, you only do that one. Choice was any example also take. Either lines, triangles, otherwise numbers or ABC. Anyone you choose and just write examples of 10th problem. Next, 11th question. Show that relation R in the set A of a points in a plane given by PQ, distance of the point P from the origin is same as the distance of the point Q from the origin. Okay, first of all, set of points in the plane given. 11%. A is equal to set of points in the plane. Suppose this is the plane. In the plane, some set of points are there. Okay. Relation P comma Q such that. What is the relation? Distance of the point P from the origin is same as the distance of the point Q from the origin. Okay, this is the set of points in the plane. This is the relation. Relation means what? Suppose like this you take means distance from the origin to P. How much distance? That the same distance origin to second point also. This is Q point and this is P point. And next what will show that is an equivalence relation. Means equivalence means reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Three relations satisfy, then it is called equivalence relation. Further show that the set of all points related to P not equal to 0 comma 0 means P point except 0 comma 0 is the circle, the point P passing through the circle. Okay. So the circle passing through the point with origin as the center. From the circle, center is the origin, then that also satisfies this relation. Okay, right. Let P point, let it be x1 y1. Let P point x1 y1. Q point x2 y2 take. Okay. So from the relation PQ belongs to R such that, what is the meaning? PQ belongs to R means distance from the origin. Okay, origin points 0, comma 0. Therefore, OP is equal to OQ. What is OP? Distance formula. Apply distance formula. This means x1 y1. So 0. x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square is equal to x2 minus 0 whole square y2 minus 0 whole square. This implies x1 square plus y1 square square root x2 square plus y2 square square root. Suppose we want to remove square root, squaring on both sides, x1 square plus y1 square x2 square plus y2 square. So this is equal to this one. So this like this the relation. Now reflexive. Okay, reflexive. I'll take P comma P belongs to R. What is the meaning? P comma P belongs to R. OP is equal to OP. P comma P belongs to R. For all P belongs to set A, the point belongs to set A. What is OP minus OP? This means x1 minus 0 whole square plus x1 minus 0 whole square is equal to x1 minus 0 whole square plus x1 minus 0 whole square. Same distance. Okay, itself from center. Reflexive satisfied. It is reflexive. It is reflexive. Reflexive property satisfied. Next is symmetry. Okay, symmetry. Let the points P x1 y1 Q x2 y2. Clear? Say what is P comma Q belongs to R. What is P comma belongs to such that, what is the meaning? Such that OP is equal to OQ. OP is equal to OQ. Implies that OQ is equal to OP. Same like this. OP is equal to OP means what? Finally x1 square plus y1 square is equal to x2 square plus y2 square. You get same answer. So that implies OQ is equal to OP. x2 square plus y2 square is equal to x1 square plus y1 square. Implies. So what is this one? This implies that Q comma P belongs to R. For each P comma Q belongs to set A, the points set A. So here what is P is x1 y1 and Q is x2 y2. Right? Okay, it is symmetric. It is symmetric. Clear? Right. Next, transitive. Transitive. Okay, let the points from the set A P, Q, R. Check. P, Q, R. P comma Q belongs to the relation such that, what is the meaning? Belongs to the relation means OP is equal to OQ and Q comma R belongs to the relation R. That means OQ is equal to R. Here R is pointer. Here R is some point. This R is a relation. Okay. Implies that OP is equal to OQ. OQ is equal to OP. Implies that OP is equal to OR. Implies that P comma R, P point comma R point belongs to R the relation. For each or all P point, Q point, R point belong to set A, belong to the set of points in the line. Okay. Reflexive, symmetric, transitive, satisfied. Therefore, this relation is equivalence relation. Here it is transitive. It is transitive. So therefore, R is equivalence. Clearly write your compulsory. Last term, R is equivalence relation. R is equivalence relation. Finish part, first part. Still some is there? Okay. Further show that the set of all points related to a point P is the circle. P means not equal to 0, 0. Right. Suppose this is the circle. Okay. So this is the circle, right? This is O origin. Origin. Let it be point P here. So that the set of all points P or A, some B, some X, some Y, some Z, some D, some C, like these points. Okay. So that the set of all points is the circle passing through the P with origin as the center. This distance, this distance, this distance, 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 distance. By the definition of the circle, what is the definition of the circle? The set of all points, from a fixed point is an equidistant. The set of all points are equidistant from a fixed point is called a circle. That is the definition of the circle. Means this is radius. The equidistance is called radius. Okay, clear? So set of all points. Set of all points by the definition of the circle. By the definition of set of all points, equidistance from a fixed point. What are the set of all points? Let it be A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, P. So like that. Okay. Set of all points. Equation from there. From a fixed point. Fixed point. O means origin. Is the circle. That implies what is the meaning? Suppose, for example, what is this relation? Satisfy the relation. Take example PA. PA means, what is PA? PA belongs to or means OP is equal to OA. Next term, with P or A, no problem. AB belongs to R. OA is equal to OB. So like that, OB is equal to OC. OC is equal to OD. OD is equal to OZ. OZ is equal to OY. OY is equal to OX. OX is equal to OP. Okay, clear? All points. All points satisfy the relation. The circle passing through this point and O as the center. Clear? So this is the problem of this relation. Distance of the point P from the origin is same as the distance from of the point Q from the origin. Okay. So like this. Next 12th question. Show that the relation defined in a set A, all triangles. Already explained in example problem, that is congruence concept. Here is similar, same meaning. Same like example T1 comma T2. T1 is similar to T2. Similar symbol this one. Reflex satisfied itself. Every triangle itself similar. And T1 T2 means T1 is similar to T2. Implies that T2 also similar to T1. Like that to prove. And next similarity congruence means what? Congruence means all parts are equal, but similarity means sides lengths proportional. Use that concept to prove that. Right? 13 also. Show that the relation are defined in the set of all polygons. Suppose consider two polygons. Either is four-sided polygon or five-sided polygon. Like that, you take two polygons. Two polygons, number of sides equal here. Concept like that, you take for a reflexive same, symmetric 2, and for trans 2 take 3 polygons and do this problem. Next 14, you can see 40%. L will be the set of all lines xy plane and R be the relation parallel. Okay. In example I explained perpendicular. 14th problem. L be the set of all lines in xy plane. In xy plane, right? And R be the relation in L defined as that one. Show that first of all equivalence relation. Show that first of all equivalence relation. What is the R? R is equal to L1 comma L2. L1 comma L2. What is meaning? L1 is parallel to L2. This is the relation. Given relation is this one. Show that it is a equivalence relation. Show that it is equivalent. Equivalence means perpendicular not satisfied. That one, all relations, only symmetric only possible. Here they asked in this problem equivalence. Equivalence means reflexive, symmetric and trans. Check out reflexive. Okay. L1 comma L1. So this is the line. Every line is not perpendicular to itself, but every line parallel to itself. So therefore, L1 is parallel to L1. Okay, for all L1 belongs to set of lines L. Set of lines L. Okay, right. Reflexive satisfied. Next, symmetric. Symmetric. L1 comma L2 belongs to this R, relation R. What is the meaning? L1 is parallel to, okay, you write in matter or symbolic, no problem. L1 is parallel to L2. What does this mean? This is L1. This is L2. L1 is parallel to L2. That implies that L2 is parallel to L1. Yes, right. That implies L2 comma L1 belongs to the relation for all L1 comma L2 belongs to set of lines L. Set of lines L. Okay, clear. Trans 2. Trans 2. Take 3 lines. L1 comma L2 belongs to R. What is the meaning? L1 is parallel to L2 and L2 comma L3 belongs to R. L2 comma L3 belongs. What is the meaning? L2 is parallel to L2 is parallel to L3. L2 is parallel to L3. Right. Implies that L1 is parallel to L2. L2 is parallel to L3. L1 is parallel to L2. L2 is parallel to L3. Implies that L1 is parallel to L3. Implies that L1 is parallel to L3. Implies that L1 comma L3 belongs to the relation for each L1, L2, L3 belong to set of given lines. So 3 relations satisfies. Therefore, the given relation, therefore R is which is transitive. It is transitive. Therefore, given relation R is equivalence. Equivalence relation. Okay, complete. And show the R is equivalence relation. That case complete. Full stop. Next is there. Find the set of all lines related to the line y is equal to 2x plus 4. Okay, y is equal to 2x plus 4. Yes. Suppose y is equal to 2x plus 4. Put x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, minus 1, minus 2, 2, 3, 4. Is good. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, put if x is equal to 0, what is y value? 4. Put x is equal to 1, 6. I'll erase this. X is equal to 1, 6. X is equal to minus 1, 2. X is equal to minus 1, 4 minus 2, 2. X is equal to 1. Okay, 6 here. Right, x is equal to minus 2, 0. this is the line. Question is, what is question? Find the set of all lines related to relation. What is relation? L1 is L1 comma L2 means L1 is parallel to L2. So for this line, parallel lines what? Parallel line is what? Suppose x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. What is its parallel line? Parallel line is x plus y plus k only. So x quotient to y quotient does not change. Same. X quotient, y quotient same. But my constant only change. Constant only change. What are the parallel lines? Suppose I will take y is equal to 2x plus 3. Suppose for example, y is equal to 2x means that is nothing but here 0. Put x is equal to 1. What is the answer? 5. X is equal to 1. 5. X is equal to minus 1. 3 minus 1. 2. X is equal to minus 2 or else minus 1.5. 3. So means here 0. For example, 2 minus 2. So minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. So like this one. Okay. Right. Suppose y is equal to 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. Y is equal to here I put x equal to 0. 1. Or else take 6. No problem. 6. Y is equal to 1. 1 means 8. 7, 8. Next I put y is equal to minus 1. 6 minus 2, 4. Y is equal to minus 2. 6 minus 4, 2. Y is equal to minus 3. 6, 0. So like this. Y is equal to minus 1. Okay. So these lines are parallel. These lines are parallel. So this meaning, what are the set of lines? Question is, show the origin representation. Find the set of all lines. What are the all lines? This is one line. This is one line. Like that y is equal to 2x plus 7. Y is equal to 2x plus 10. These are all lines related to this. What is related here? Relation is parallel. So that's why single step answer like this related to this line is y is equal to 2x plus 6 some constant or 2x plus k. So this is the related line. Set of all lines is y is equal to x plus. This is the answer. Okay students, we will continue remaining problems in the next class.